This scrunchie has 3 layers of crochet, so we are going to make another one just similar to that. For this scrunchie pattern, I have an elastic, I have a 5mm crochet hook and 3 colors of acrylic yarn. Now I'm going to begin with this light purple yarn. I have the slip knot on the hook, yarn over hook, insert the hook, bring up a loop and go through all the 3 loops on the hook. Now we have our standing double crochet finished. Then we are standing half double crochet finished. We are going to we are going to cover this elastic with the half double crochets. And slip stitch to the top of the first half double crochet. For the simplicity of this pattern, I am going to cut the yarn after this row. Just lock this one in here. Okay. I am going to work on my back loop with my green color. Chain 3. I'm making double crochets. 2 double crochet in each of the stitches. So double crochet, yarn over hook, insert the hook in the stitch, yarn over hook and go through 2 loops, yarn over hook and go through 2 loops. So go ahead and make 2 double crochets in each of the stitches, and we will meet at the end of this row. Now that row is finished, and I'm going to slip stitch to the top of the 3rd chain here. Then in the next row we are going to make chain 3 again and 2 more double crochet into the same stitch. Now if you look on it, I'm not working on the back loop. I'm going to work on both these loops like a regular double crochet. Insert the hook below that V like a stitch and make 3 double crochets. You will see that this one is starting to ruffle. It's almost halfway through, and you can see that this layer is already started to ruffle. That's a very fun pattern. Now this is joined to the top of the chain 3, and I'm going to cut the yarn. pull it through to lock it in place. Now when you look on it, you can see the front loops are unworked. So I'm going to finish making this unworked front loops. So we are going to join the same purple color and make a chain 3 in the first stitch. In 2 double crochet. So first chain 3 is considered as a double crochet, then make another double crochet in the same stitch, then 2 double crochet in each of the stitches, just like the previous round, but we are working only on the front loop. After finishing this round, we will continue working to make it 3 layers. Now I'm going to slip stitch to the top of this third chain. Now I'm going to leave a bigger loop and leave it there because I find it easy to start doing the third layer right now before finishing this layer and making it a ruffled. That's right here. I turn my work. Now you can see this ridge over here. It is unworked. That's the third loop of the half double crochet. So I'm going to attach the yarn in one of those stitches with a standing double crochet. So yarn over hook. I have the slip stitch on it. Yarn over hook. And I'm going to work on this ridged one here. You can see that that is the third loop of the half double crochet. We are going to make 2 half double crochet in each of the stitches. Okay, just now you know why I left this one here, because if it is also like fully finished, that second layer is fully finished, then it will be hard to put this one in the back because it is all ruffled and more sturdy then. Now it is a little bit flexible. It's easier this way, I find it. You have the option to finish the first 2 layers and then start working on the third layer if you like it that way. Now that row is finished, all the stitches have 2 double crochets on it. I'm going to join to the top of the first double crochet. Now I'm going to make a chain 3 and I'm going to use this yarn tail to work on top of it. Then make 2 more double crochet right here in the same stitch. So 3 double crochets in each of the stitches. Just remember that these are the regular double crochets and not front post or back post or on the third loop. I think this is getting easier now. So I would suggest you do the first one layer full, then the front loop, it's only the first row of the first row of that pattern, like a 2 double crochets in each of the front loops of this one. Then you go to the back to work on that third loop of the half double crochet of the beginning round, then finish off that layer, then move on to that layer in the front. If you like these patterns, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and give me a comment about the colors I am using. Are you interested in using green, purple and yellow, or what are the 3 different color combinations you would like? Maybe green, red and white for a Christmas theme. I think that would be nice. It will make a great gift for Christmas. You have the option to make it in thinner yarn. Any type of yarn is fine. This is Red Heart Super Saver, so it gives, and I'm using the 5mm hook, so this is really fluffy and big. So this round is finished. I slip stitched the top of the chain 3, and now we can cut the yarn by leaving a little longer tail and lock that one in place. And I'm going back to work in my front row. Chain 3 and 2 more double crochet in the same stitch. Now in each of these stitches we are going to make a 3 double crochet. So just finish that round, and I will show you how the finished one looks like. So we are here in the last stitch. We are going to slip stitch and finish it off. Just to pull through that loop. Now I have to weave all the yarn tails in using my hook to pull it through. You can do a little back and forth, and that will be done. Here you can see the 3 layers. Very fluffy. Would you like making one like this? Now the main question is, are you going to wear something like this, right? So when you put it on, it will be like all these colors. This is scrunchie in 3 layers, 1, 2 and 3, but it is made in one type of yarn, the same variegated yarn I used. This is also made in 3 layers, but this is in 3 different colors.